Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna I just wanted to share with you the hack that I have with my Oculus Quest 2 in order for me to play longer sessions or games with it, because normally this only lasts for like 2 hours or so, or maybe less depending on the type of game that you play with it. So in order for you to last or to play longer, you're gonna need a couple of things. You're gonna need a Velcro straps like this one. So these are bigger ones, and you're gonna need, of course, scissors. You're gonna need a double-sided tape and a 1 foot of a USB-C and a USB-A, depending on the power bank that you have, and then of course the power bank here. This is my old power bank. This is used to be a backup camera, reader, and a battery bank at the same time, or you can actually use a dedicated power bank like these, which has bigger battery. So the bigger the battery, the longer. But there are power banks out there that are compact, which is this small, and it will just fit right in here. Now on this headset you will have the headset that I have, I bought a separate headset assembly. It doesn't have the battery because those are expensive and I don't have a budget for it. So I got this from Alibaba. I have a video of unboxing that's on my channel as well. So the headset already comes with the Velcro here across. So what you're gonna need to do is from this Velcro strap, you're gonna need to cut enough length that will wrap around. So I already pre-cut one. Once you pre-cut this one, you have to put set a length that will be exactly just enough for it to wrap around like that, because you're gonna be wrapping it across here. So you're gonna be putting the power bank here on the top, and then with this Velcro strap, it has this wide piece, which I cut it from this right here. And then you got this piece. So this one will basically, this is wide enough to hold the strap in place like this. So I'm gonna assemble it, and for the double-sided tape, you're gonna use this one to cut another length of the strap, just enough length to cover the Velcro that you're gonna use to stick to the power bank. So example like this one right here. So once you have that sticked in there, what you're gonna do is use this Velcro, one of the Velcro portion of it. So I'll put it under here, like somewhere here on the top, like that. And then since this one has the soft portion of the Velcro, so what you're gonna need to do is to use the rough portion of the Velcro so that it's gonna stick right there. I'll put it right there, and then with the wide one to make it more secure, so that it will not move around as you play along with your Oculus. And then once you have it secured like this, then you can put the Velcro here right there, and sorry, put it right there, and then you can wrap the strap around like that, and then it's secured. So no matter how you move, it's gonna put it on top of your head, and then that should be fine. And then with the you can use the longer USB-C cords, but the one that I have is just, I think this is 1 foot in length, so this is just enough to connect the headset and the power bank in length, and then that would give you, you know, a so the cord will not dangle over your shoulder as you play. And you know, as I have said, the bigger the battery you have, the longer that you'll be able to play. So with this size, I can actually play around maybe 3 hours without using much of the battery on the headset itself. So yeah, this is what I play every night. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.